this is Pharmacist Mom. This video is going to be about unboxing Fleet Glycerin Rectal Suppositories. I purchased this from Walmart for $2.98 and it contains 12 glycerin rectal suppositories. This is indicated for adults and children of ages 6 years and over. This is non-prescription over-the-counter rectal glycerin suppositories. Here's the expiration date for this particular container. It's April 2022. And let's take a look at the drug facts. Glycerin 2 grams is the active ingredient. This rectal suppository helps with constipation or to cleanse the bowel before a rectal exam or intestine procedure. Here are the directions for use. As mentioned before, this is for adults and children above 6 years old. Insert 1 suppository into the rectum per day as directed by a doctor. Here are the directions for use. As mentioned before, this is for adults and children above 6 years old. Insert 1 suppository into the rectum per day or as directed by a doctor. Other information regarding storage is that the store container should be tightly closed, keep away from excessive heat, and mouth of jar sealed for safety. If foil imprinted with green Fleet emblem is missing or torn, do not use. Unboxing. Let's compare with a penny. It looks like it's 2 pennies long. And it's pointy at the end for easy insertion into the rectum. Let's compare the Pediallax with the Fleet Glycerin suppositories. On the left, it's going to be the suppository for children, and on the right is the Fleet Glycerin suppository for adults 6 years and older. If you can see, the length of the 2 suppositories look similar, but the width of the suppository on the right, which is the suppository for the adults, is a little bit thicker. As mentioned before, these are 2 pennies long. Alright, well that's it for this video. Thank you. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you later.